Yeah, you can.
I wanna fill up my.
Okay.
I can fill it up.
Hey guys, you check. Wait, don't disturb the water. Look. Ah, it's a sea cucumber.
Sea cucumber where?
Here, that one, that one, that
Oh,
one.
that one? Can I catch it?
Can you give me that one?
Here.
This one.
I
Look,
see it right there. Can I catch it with
Yeah,
my
yeah.
bucket?
Wait. I'll try to move it.
Can I sit down?
Yeah.
My butt's wet now. Like, also Louise, but
Hala. There's a crab. There's a crab inside. Is it? It's not a sea cucumber. It's a sea anemone de uli.
Anemone?
Yeah. It moved man oh. It's going inside the rock.
Oh, wait, it's not there anymore. I can't see it. It's
Yeah,
not
because
inside the rock?
ni gamay siya uli.
Oh, okay. I think it might be a puffer fish.
Yeah.
It might be.
You just leave it alone, kay.
Okay.
You just look for other.
Where?
Here's a brittle star. Here.
I see it.
Yeah, on this rock.
Right there, I see it.
See? On this rock.
I see it right there. On the rock.
Yes, inside though you can see its arms.
Yeah, I see it right there. Wait, it's moving, Wait, it's right there, I see it. Oh no, no!
Here. I see it. You look, huh?
I see it right there, you see
That's
that?
the arm
That
of the
one?
brittle star.
Right
Look,
there.
look.
Oi! Wait, it's moving!
Yes.
It's moving!
Yeah.
Wait, try to put it in my bucket.
But we cannot remove it. It's hiding there. No, it's so hard to move. Oh. Nah.
It just keep on going inside.
Yeah, it's hard. It's stuck inside na.
Okay, put it
Yeah,
back
that's so
in.
cool.
Put it back in.
Okay. You put it back.
Can you? I'm gonna get
I
it.
think you can.
I wanna get in my bucket.
Okay.
I wanna get it in my bucket.
Wow.
I'm trying. No, see? It's not moving. Oh,
No may isda na dakpan ba? Starfish uli oh.
starfish.
Starfish and flounder.
Ooh,
Ah,
that's a chocolate chip starfish. I'm trying to get this one crab. Where'd it go?
Flounder.
I can't find it. There, up here.
You want to touch is?
I don't get it. Get it. Yeah, it's a mud skipper right there.
Yeah, it is
I
a mud
wanna catch
skipper.
the mud skipper.
Yeah.
It can
Look.
survive on land.
Yeah.
Where's the crab? I wanna catch it.
There, this one.
Where?
That one, oh.
Where?
That one.
Where? I can't see
The
it.
small white
Where?
crab.
Touch it. Where? Put
No,
it
you
in my
cannot.
bucket. Wait, I think I see it. Put it in my bucket. Put it in my bucket. Put it in my bucket. Oh wait, I think I see it.
It's so,
Oh wait,
it's so
it
small.
went inside. It went inside.
Yeah, you cannot get it. It went under na.
My hermit crab. Wait, my hermit crab. It's moving. Should I release it?
Yeah, later na. Tara, let's go. Let's go to the other
Can I release
side.
it?
It's okay.
My hermit crab.
Yeah. There it is.
Put it in my bucket.
Yeah, there.
Oh wait, I see it. Wait,
But
can
you
I
have
hold
to-
it? Can I hold it?
Okay.
Wait, can I put it in my bucket?
Yeah, of
Can
course.
I borrow that? I'm gonna put it in my bucket.
Just grab it with your hand.
No, I don't wanna. Papa, you do it.
It's not poisonous. Sige na. You feel.
It's moving.
Oh.
Is it moving?
Yeah, it
Try
is.
to check.
You need to.
Try to check under it. Is it moving?
Yeah, it is moving.
Oh, we put it in. Put it in. Put it in.
Ooh,
Papa,
starfish.
Put it in. Put it in. Okay, put it in. Put it in.
It's moving.
Put it in. Put it in.
Yeah.
Wait,
Good job.
It's the whole bucket. It's my
Yeah.
whole bucket.
Yeah.
The starfish is my whole bucket. Can't
So
move.
cool. What kind
Should
of
I put it
starfish is that? Later na.
Guys, if you know what starfish is, write it down in the comments. I don't know what
Okay.
it is. It looks
Yeah.
like a choc. It looks like a
Okay.
chocolate chip starfish, but I'm not really sure.
Maybe.
Um,
So, let's go.
right here.
Okay, gonna let go of them.
Yeah, I'm gonna let them
Okay.
go. the starfish is stuck.
Remove it.
I can't.
No, not like that.
Help, please. Help,
Hey, give me.
help,
This
please.
is a
I
gift.
can't let the starfish go.
There.
It's out. It's out.
Just
Bye,
do it.
Patrick.
You say bye-bye.
Bye, Patrick.
Bye-bye to the starfish.
Patrick.
Oh, you want
I
to?
named
Touch,
him
touch
Pat-
first. Just feel.
I named him Patrick.
The next time. Okay. Yeah, maybe there's a shell inside. We'll try to dig. Give me the one. We'll try to dig.
Look right there. What's that?
Yeah,
What is that? Try to dig. Try to dig.
I'll try to dig.
Wait, look. Look. When you dig, that happens. Look what happens when you dig.
Yeah, maybe there's a shell in.
Try
At
to
the
check,
bottom.
Try to check.
So cool.
Yeah. When you touch the fish.
Maybe we'll just look at it. There, oh. Oh, just the shell. No, see? The shell that it grabbed. Yeah,
I touched the fish.
move away. Move away with your shadow. There, oh.
Where see it?
There, oh. There. It's in your feet. Is
Louis, move.
you can pick it up.
Should I pick it up with my bare hands?
Yeah,
I'm
that
gonna-
will not hurt.
Scared.
Sige. Don't be afraid. Just grab it. It's like a
Can I
toy.
borrow that, please?
Like a toy. Sige na.
It looks like a toy.
Grab it.
I don't wanna.
Grab it.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Sige na.
Scared.
You just funnel it to your
It's a
bucket. Sige.
hole.
Mm.
Ay.
Sige
I
na.
touched it. I touched it.
It doesn't even have a
Wait,
mouth.
that looks like sand sea stars. Sea
Yeah.
stars, not.
Sige na. Get it. And put it inside your bucket.
I grabbed it. Papa, I grabbed it.
Yeah, so cool. Sige
Oh,
na.
wait, I'm gonna
Put it inside.
I got the starfish.
Yeah.
I
Okay,
have a
slice.
I touched it. Oh wait, that feels so weird.
Sige na. I-touch na. Na.
Oh wait,
It
that
will
feels
not,
so
but
weird.
it
That
doesn't
feels
even.
so weird.
It doesn't even have a mouth.
Yes, it does.
Yeah. For small mouth, it only.
Wait, I touched it. I'm gonna let them go.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna pick this one up for you guys. Oh yeah. Starfish. Starfish. Oh, I got it. Wait, Papa, I got the starfish.
Grab it with your hand.
Wait, I don't wanna. I'm scared.
Grab it with your hand. Then just put it, drop it in the bucket.
Oh wait,
now.
I did it. I just did that.
Yeah. So
Wait,
cool.
guys, look here. This is starfish. I think it's a sifting starfish, but I'm not really sure.
Yeah.
Look right there.
So cool. So
I'm gonna
alright.
let this guy go.
Okay.
Okay. Oh no, it's upside down. Luis! Can I have that place? It's upside
Just
down.
lift it up with your hand. Just your hand.
I'm scared.
It's just your hand.
Uy.
Oh, that it's
Okay,
done.
I did. Oh great! I'm so scared.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Good.
My
So we
dad got
another
this crab.
Yeah.
Look right there.
What kind of
There,
crab is that?
I have no idea. If you guys know what crab that is, write down in the comments. Yeah, the comments. It was very hard to catch, but my dad caught it.
So small.
have your crab and channel up. What's it doing?
It's like it's dancing.
Oi, oi, what's happening?
Is it trying to jump?
I think it's trying to jump. I think I
Yeah,
need.
we will
Should I
release it later.
It has eyes right now.
Maybe later.
Crab. I let him go. Wait, he buried back in the sand right there.
Yeah, that's his defense mechanism.
He
Leave it
buried
alone.
back in the sand. I will be dancing.
There. Found another starfish again. Here it is, oh. Here. Here, there it is. There. So cool. So cool, right?
It's an earthworm starfish.
Sige, you grab it.
No.
Grab it with your hand.
No.
It's here. But don't go near the rock, huh? Here, oh.
Okay. Where?
In my foot.
Let me see.
Here.
I think he's peeing.
Let him pee.
I'm peeing. Wait, whoa! I want to put that in my bucket so bad.
Okay, you grab it.
It's so big.
Sige, I don't even know if it will fit. Sige, try to pick it up.
Hold it.
Try to pick it up so that show it to the video.
Okay, guys, look at this. I can't do
Pick
it.
it up
I
with your
can't do it. I
hand.
can't do it. I tried.
Starfish are alright to pick up with the hand.
Peeing in the beak. I'm scared.
Put your hand. Okay, just like you already grabbed the starfish in your hand. Okay. Grab the top.
It's a chocolate in the beak.
Yeah, it's a friendly starfish. You know, it's not
I'm
dangerous.
scared.
You know.
I touched it. Papa, you do it. You do it. I'm gonna film. You do it. I'm gonna film. I'm
No.
filming.
You hold this.
I'm filming. You do
Hold
it.
this.
You do
Yeah.
it. I can't do it.
Just grab
Put it in
it.
the bucket.
Yeah.
Put it in the
Oh,
bucket.
it's even missing in. It's even missing its kuan other arm. Look.
Okay, try to put it in.
Too big.
It won't fit. I'm gonna put this back.
Okay. Bye, starfish. Don't step on the
No,
starfish.
Stop.
It's not nice to kill
The
starfish.
starfish will eat you.
Yeah. Leave them.
Cone snail.
Wait, put the bucket near it. I'll push it.
I don't wanna. It's a cone snail.
Wait,
No,
sa.
I
I'm
don't
just.
want it. It's a cone snail.
We'll just take a video of it. Look. Yeah,
That
don't touch
looks
it.
like
That's a cone snail.
Wait,
Look
it
at
is.
look at its head.
Wait,
Look at its
I
head.
see. It's cone snail. It is cone snail. Go.
Yeah, it
go,
will
it's a cone
sting.
snail. It will sting. Like
Yeah.
an Octonaut, that one episode.
Yeah.
It stings Quasi,
So bye bye, cone
Captain
snail.
Barnacles, Dashi, Tweak, and Shellington, and Professor. Wait. Yeah, Quasi, where? The jellyfish is going to catch you. We have a jellyfish right there in the bucket. Or jellyfish. Jellyfish. Jellyfish are living in the ocean. Yeah. For jelly.
They just
Or
swim around.
They just swim around in the ocean, but be careful because they might sting you.
Look. Yeah.
Right there. That's a jellyfish.
It's so cool, no?
Or it's
It's
my
just-
first
it's
time
just
seeing
going-
a jellyfish.
It's just going in circles.
Making in
It's
circles.
so funny.
Okay, let's go, jelly. I'm
So
gonna
let's bring the jelly first. Then we will just release it.
I'm gonna
Okay.
name him Jelly.
Yeah, because he's a jellyfish.
Yeah, that's why I named it Jelly. Come on, let's go,
It's
Jelly.
like-
Jelly.
Look, it's like it's going around and around and around. and
It's
around.
like a roundabout.
Yeah.
You found the
Try
proper
to
fish.
move it.
Oh, don't move it.
It's
Not
dead.
moving.
Yes, because it's dead.
The puffer fish. No. It's Mrs. Puff.
Is it still gonna be alive if we
I
put
don't
it
know.
back?
Maybe when the water comes up. Wait, no, be careful,
No, it's
Papa. If
already
it's
dead.
alive, it might jump you up with its sharp teeth.